Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals going on over at CVS for the week. This was a fantastic week at CVS. Lots of amazing deals to share with you. If you haven't had a chance to check out my Walgreens videos, I posted one Walgreens video on Sunday with some amazing deals. And then I posted another one this morning for additional deals as well as some of the best grocery deals they have going on this week. So definitely check those out. Let's jump into these deals. So let's talk about food first. I like food deals. And y'all know I love coffee deals. So I grabbed the Gevalia this week because they are on sale for $5.99 each. I had a coupon for $3 off a $10 coffee purchase. So getting two at $5.99 minus that $3 off 10 digital coupon, I paid $8.98, but there is an offer on Ibotta for $2 back on each of these. So I got $4 back on Ibotta, making my final cost of $4.98 or just $2.49 per 12 count of K-Cup. So I thought that was a great deal. I have not tried this type of K-Cup yet, so I can't tell you if it's any good or not. If y'all have tried it, let me know down in the comments. Another food deal is on the Glucernas. These mini treat boxes are $5.99 each. Now check your CVS coupons to see if you have any digital coupons. I actually did not, but I know a lot of people did. I used the $3 off coupon from the February 27th save. So I had two of those. I paid $5.98. But then if you buy two of these, you get $5 in extra care box back. So that made my final cost 98 cents or just 49 cents per box. So that's over 90% off the sale price. Awesome deal. Now, I talked about this in my Walgreens video. You can also do this deal at CVS. So if you like Swagbucks, and that's an app you use, grab two of these Baby Ruth bars at $1.29. Swagbucks currently has an offer for $3 back when you buy two of these. So that means your final costs for these are completely free and a 42-cent moneymaker. Now, if you're brand new to Swagbucks or it's an app that confuses you, I do have a complete tutorial on how to use that, and I will link it down in the video description box below. Okay, hair care deals. This deal here, the Pantene and the Head & Shoulders, is part of a spend 20, get $5 in extra care bucks back. So I actually used paper coupons, and I don't do that a lot, but I used the March Procter & Gamble insert from the newspaper to do this deal. I grabbed three of the Pantene conditioners. These were priced at $3 for $12. In the March P&G, there's a $5 off 3 coupon. I also had a CVS digital store coupon for $4 off a $12 Pantene purchase. So I had $5 off plus $4 off. Now the Head & Shoulders, I had a $3 off two from the March P&G, as well as a $2 off a $9 purchase CVS store coupon, and these were 2 for $12. So again, spend 20, get $5 in extra care bucks. I did 12 and 12, that's 24, so I hit the spend 20. Minus the $5, minus the $4, minus the $3, minus the $2, I paid $10. I got $5 in extra care bucks back, making it $5 total for all 5 items, or just $1 per item. Not a bad deal. Now, if you pair that with these Garnier Treats, these are 2 for $7 again this week. I had a $5 printable coupon that I used, so I paid $2 for these, but these are on promotion this week for buy 2, get a $4 extra care buck back. So I got 2 of these for free and a $2 moneymaker. So when I combine both of these deals, it makes it even better. Now, the last deal that I did was a shave deal because I had a $5 off a $20 shave purchase, CRT. And I use the term CRT. If you're new to CVS, that really stands for cash register tape, but it's how most people refer to the CVS store coupons that either come out of that red machine or the digital store coupons you see in your account. Now, I needed to spend $25 in order to get $10 back. So I had to get creative to see which razors I could get that would get me closest to $25. So I grabbed one razor at $12.79, another razor at $12.99. Now your store prices may vary. The stores around me vary in price, just like 5 miles apart. Some of the stores get a little bit more expensive. Now, I had that $5 off 20 CRT. I had a $4 digital coupon for the woman's, a $4 digital coupon for the man's razor. I paid $12.78. I got $10 in extra care bucks back, making it $2.78 for both of these, or just $1.39 each. Not a bad deal. Another deal that you might want to check out, the Pop-Tarts as well as some of the Kellogg's cereal are on sale for $1.99, which is a great sale price. And if you like to roll your extra care bucks to pay for your groceries, that's an item you might want to check out. Another deal that I saw, and I almost did, the Nature Valley bars were $4.99, like the big packs were $4.99. I had a coupon for $2 off a $10 Nature Valley purchase, as well as a $3 off a $10 breakfast purchase, I believe, or maybe it was a bar purchase. Whatever it was, if you look in your app, check to see if you have multiple coupons for those Nature Valley bars, because it was also a 50-cent off too. So it just became a great deal when you use those digital coupons on top of an already good sale price. So those are the deals that I did at CVS this week. If you have any questions or if you found an amazing deal, let us know down in the comment section below. Thanks.